Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Doing a little dollar lightning link. $20 max bet on the 2-cent dinar. Oh, don't do that now. Come on. Thank you. Gosh, let's fill it up for that 17,000. Come on, one more. Come on, get it. Come on. Oh well. Yep.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh, 500,000. What?
That's 1,000. That's 2,000.
Oh my god. You just said it wasn't doing that.
It wasn't.
Oh my god. Oh my lord. Oh yes. Oh,
Well, everyone, please like and subscribe. Let's see how much we got here. My gosh. 5,000. Wow. Okay, everyone. Please like and subscribe. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you for watching Lady Midwest Slots.